it is our next video for examples in chemistry. These examples are very important for board exam and our NEET exam. This is the chapter which is running. This chapter is ionic equilibrium. In this ionic equilibrium, it is the problem related with solubility product. Solubility product, the problems on solubility product. Solubility product, it is represented as KSP. Solubility product part is applied for saturated solution of sparingly soluble salt. Saturated solution, when solution is in saturated state, then ionic product equal to solubility product. Ionic product is known as solubility product. The salt must be sparingly soluble. Sparingly soluble. The sparingly soluble salts are like BaSO4, barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is one of the salt which is sparingly soluble. When it is dissociated at equilibrium, it gives Ba++ aqueous plus SO4 aqueous. Actually BaSO4 solid, when added in water, it gives such type of equilibrium. Very less dissociated gives number of ions. Product of this ion, the solubility means concentration of Ba++. Concentration of Ba++ is equal to solubility in mole per decimeter cube. In mole per decimeter cube. SO4 concentration of SO4 is also known as solubility in mole per decimeter cube. Concentration of each ion indicated by solubility, and this ionic product is known as solubility product. It means concentration of Ba++, concentration of SO4 when multiplied with each other, it is solubility product. S into S is equal to S square. When we determine solubility from solubility product, it is to be denoted as S is equal to root of KSP. It is a binary salt. For this binary salt, such type of equation is to be derived. Here, magnesium oxalate is there and magnesium chloride is there. Two types of salts which are given to you. By this phenomenon, we must conclude that, we must know that again this concept which is to be simplified or related with precipitation formation. There is a relation between ionic product and solubility product, which indicate that whether the precipitation takes place or not takes place. If ionic product is greater than solubility product, then precipitation occur, PPT formed. If ionic product is equal to solubility product, solubility product is known as ionic product or ionic product is known as solubility product, then saturated state is there. Saturated state, because in saturated state KSP is defined as ionic product of the sparingly soluble salt present in aqueous media. Saturated state. These two parts are important. For precipitation, such condition is important. There is a third condition, but that third condition is not important to solve the problem. But you must know that third condition also. If ionic product is less than solubility product, then it is unsaturated. The unsaturated part is not important for this example. So these are the basic things to solve such type of problem. Okay, we are going to solve this problem. A solution is prepared by mixing equal volumes of 0.1 mole MgCl2, 0.1 mole MgCl2 plus 0.3 mole Na2C2O4, sodium oxalate Na2C2O4. These two salts mixed with each other and MgC2O4 precipitates. MgC2O4 get precipitated. MgC2O4 get precipitated, and NaCl, which is to be in dissolved state. The precipitated part is Mg2SO4. The Ksp of Mg2SO4 at 293 Kelvin is 8.56 into 10 raised to minus 5. Would क्या Mg2C2O4 precipitates out होता है? आपके पास Ksp है, तो Ksp है ना, तो ये Ksp से ज़्यादा आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट है क्या, ये देखना पड़ेगा. आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट एक्सीडेड सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट और नॉट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. व्हेन दीज टू मिक्स्ड विथ ईच अदर, their volume get doubled. Their volume get doubled. When volume get doubled, it is 0.1 mole for further given volume, 0.3 mole for further given volume, but they mixed with each other to react with each other. MgCl2 and Na2C2O4 mixed with each other and gives a salt which is precipitated. This MgC2O4, when salt is there, equilibrium Mg++ plus C2O4 minus. This is our equation of the salt which is formed by mixing this MgCl2 and Na2C2O4. But we must know the concentration of Mg++, we must know the concentration of C2O4 minus. Concentration of Mg++ is this and concentration of C2O4 is this, but for a particular volume. यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम गेट डबल्ड, इक्वल वॉल्यूम है ना वो. सपोज 100 ml था पहले, फिर दूसरा भी आ गया 100 ml, ये दोनों का मिला के हो गया 200 ml. 200 ml का मतलब है its concentration get decreases. Concentration of this is becomes half because volume get doubled. The concentration of Mg++ is equal to 0.1 divided by 2 because volume get doubled, because this is per given volume, but given volume again given volume, two equal volume mixed with each other, volume get doubled and the concentration becomes half. 0.1 divided by 2, it is 0.05 mole per liter. Concentration of Mg++ becomes half. Like this, concentration of C2O4 minus minus also becomes half. C2O4 minus minus is equal to 0.3 divided by 2. This concentration is also 0.15 mole per decimeter cube per liter per decimeter cube. ये आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब. इट इज़ द यूनिट ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब. Okay, write down the equation. With respect to this equation, what is KSP? KSP is equal to concentration of Mg plus plus into concentration of C2O4 minus minus. This KSP is given to you 8.56 into 10 raised to minus 5. 8.56 into 10 raised to minus 5 इन्हीं का KSP है. सैचुरेटेड स्टेट में अगर है तो उसका KSP है. तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ये लोगे आप 5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 1 minus 2, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2, and here 15 into 10 raised to power of minus 2. Concentration becomes 75 into 10 raised to power of minus 4. It means 7.5 into 10 raised to power of minus 3. 7.5 into 10 raised to power of minus 3. The ionic product, this is ionic product and this is solubility product. The ionic product is greater than solubility product. Sorry, ionic product is greater than solubility product because this is the greater value 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. इनका जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है ना 0.1 डिवाइड बाई 2, वॉल्यूम डबल होगा इसलिए हाफ कर दिए. इसका भी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वॉल्यूम डबल होगा इसलिए हाफ कर दिए. ये Mg और C2O4 माइनस Mg फ्रॉम MgCl2, Mg प्लस प्लस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 0.3, वॉल्यूम गेट डबल्ड, इक्वल वॉल्यूम्स है ना, 100 ml 100 ml 200 ml हो गया तो उसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हाफ हो जाएगा. C2O4 का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 0.3 मोल होना चाहिए था, मगर मिक्सिंग स्टेट में जाने के बाद वॉल्यूम डबल होने के बाद इसका भी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हाफ हो गया. ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पुटअप करने के बाद ये जो सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट है, सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट इज लेस देन आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट. आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट इज ग्रेटर देन सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट. आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट इज ग्रेटर देन सोल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट मीन्स precipitation takes place. Precipitation takes place. Solution is prepared by mixing equal volumes of 0.1 molar MgCl2 and 0.3 molar Na2C2O4 at 293 Kelvin. Would Mg2C2O4 precipitates out? Yes. KSP दिया है आपको, KSP के हिसाब से आप ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो. IP is greater than KSP. It means that solution is not in saturated state, it is in precipitated form. If IP is equal to KSP, then it is in saturated state. Okay. The next problem is also solubility product. Solubility product of silver bromide is 5.2 into 10 raised to minus 13. Calculate its solubility in mole per decimeter cube and gram per decimeter cube. You know that mole is equal to weight in gram upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass is equal to mole. If given mass is not given to you, given mass is equal to mole into molar mass. ये फॉर्मूला याद रखो. गिवन मास भी निकाल सकते हो आप ग्राम पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब. ग्राम पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब के लिए आपको पहले मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब निकालना है, फिर मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब इनटू मोलार मास. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद अपने आप गिवन मास आ जाएगा. AgBr, it is a sparingly soluble salt reversibly dissociated as Ag plus Br minus, Ag plus aqueous plus Br minus aqueous. According to our formula, solubility product is equal to concentration of Ag plus is solubility number 1, concentration of solubility गुणिले solubility बरोबर है solubility square. KSP is equal to S square. S is equal to root of KSP. S is equal to root of KSP. आपको solubility product है मालूम, 5.2 into 10 raised to minus 13. Put this value here, 5.2 into 10 raised to power of minus 13 is equal to solubility. With respect to this reaction, equilibrium reaction, KSP is equal to multiplication of these two ion concentration. The concentration of this ion is solubility, concentration of this ion is solubility. Then KSP is equal to S square. That KSP, root of KSP is equal to S, root of, it means that it is root of 52 into 10 raised to power of minus 7. 52 into 10 raised to power of minus 7. 52 का रूट लोगे आप, root of 52 is given to you, root of 52 near about 7.2. 7.2 into 10 raised to power of minus 7 mole per decimeter cube, mole per liter or mole per decimeter cube is our solubility. To determine solubility in ग्राम पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब, ये मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब आपने निकाला, ग्राम पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब के लिए उसको मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब इंटू मोलार मास, इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 7.2 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर ऑफ माइनस 7 इंटू 187.8, ये हो गया मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब, ये हो गया ग्राम पर मोल, ये मोल कैंसिल हो जाएगा, आंसर आएगा ग्राम पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब. मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है सिर्फ, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद आंसर आएगा 1.35 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 4, 1.35 इंटू 10 to the power of minus 4. It is our answer in gram per mole. For determination of gram given mass in gram per mole, multiply this mole with molar mass. Molar mass is given to you. Calculate the solubility. Solubility is derived by this formula. Root of KSP is equal to S. It is a binary salt. Binary salt के लिए आपको डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हो. ओके, राइट.